Hi, good evening. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install Orthanc PACS server, including all built-in viewer. So first of all, you need to open the Chrome and search Orthanc download. So here, click on it, download, and you need to go for Windows because I am using Windows and I'm going to install on the Windows server. Just click on Orthanc for Windows and select the operating system bits. I am using 64-bit. Click on it. I will also add these download links directly in the video's description. You can download whatever version you want. So I am downloading most recent. In fact, I have already downloaded. It's in my download section. So let's cancel it. Open, download, program, author. Double click. Wait a bit. It will ask for the administrative privileges. Click yes. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. From here, you can change the path of the installation also. So I am letting it go default. So just next. And here is the data directory where all data or the studies which is coming from the modalities are saved in this path. I will recommend it you need to set up this on the other drive, so that I am going to let it go default because it's for the demo purpose. You can change the directory from here. Click next. So see this, here is the three type of installation: standard, compact and custom. So we are going to install the standard installation. It will include all major plugins and the OHIF viewer, which is the largest using viewer across the globe for the viewing the studies. So everything which is required for the Orthanc and viewer is installed in this. So click next, next, and install. But for it, it will finish installing. It is finished, and Orthanc, open Orthanc homepage. This is the Orthanc complete homepage. So we are going to open our localhost.8042. This is the port to accessing the Orthanc. Let's just see what it's working. See this, and here is when you need to open you can check the studies. All click on the all studies. This is the demo studies which is already in this file. You can see all your studies here which is coming from the modality, or you need to manually upload. If you want to upload, just click on the upload and select the file to upload, which is the file should be DICOM format, and just click on open and click on the start upload. It will be uploaded. I don't have a file, so I will let it go blank. So again, click on the lookup, and here is the open DICOM web client. From here you can add the any other DICOM web server. Okay, so I am not using it, so open Orthanc Explorer 2 here, and this is the demo study. This basically there is a two GUI version of this Orthanc. First one is this one. I am mostly using this one for the Orthanc, and other one is this. So if you want to view the study you have uploaded from here, you just need to click on the all studies, click on the studies which you want to see, click on this, and there's a there's a lot of uh, viewers already installed, so I am mostly using OHIF here, so I am click on it, open OHIF viewer, click on the basic viewer. Okay, this is the I think studies is still loading. This is a sample study, but you can upload your study and you can also see in it. So first one is this, and if you want to open kitware view all view, click on this, data set is loaded, you can drag and drop the file, it will start viewing it. So open attach STL model, you can directly upload it and you can view the studies also. And number third one is stone web viewer, click on it and close. From here you can also delete the studies and send to the DICOM modality, download as a zip. If you click on it, you can also download as the same study in the zip format, and you can also copy this link and send to this link to the another person, and they can easily download the same file also. So this is it, and this is completely easy. You just need to open the Orthanc website, download the Orthanc installer, just install it as I have instructed, and upload studies and just start viewing. That's it. Thank you, hope you like it.